Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well, and let's get right into today's set. So I'm going to be doing my daughter's nails, and yes, it's another Valentine's Day nails. As I said before in my previous video, I will be doing all Valentine's sets until the 14th or maybe the end of the month, depending on if you guys like them or not. But here I am starting by prepping my daughter's nails, taking my round bit and going around the cuticle to get that excess cuticle off.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade
Like I said before, I will be using Bloom for the ring finger, and this is how I place my polygel. I work my way from the cuticle area down to the free edge, going side to side and making it as smooth as possible. And now I'm using Makartt Khaki Rose, which is a Builder Gel in a tube. And I use circular motions, pressing it at the same time to come out to build that apex, and then moving it down towards the free edge from side to side. Now, when using Builder Gel, I recommend being fast because unlike Polygel, it does move around. It is not stiff like Polygel, so just be as fast as you can and then cure it for 60 seconds. Now, this is just something that I personally do. I take a little brush, add some Builder Gel to it, the Khaki Rose, and go around the cuticle area and make sure that there is enough Builder Gel around that cuticle area. Now that the polygel is done, I go in with my 5-in-1 nail bit that is a fine bit, and I go around the cuticle area and down the surface, the entire nail, to make sure that it is smooth as possible. So when I'm filing the Builder Gel, it is more work to file because it does not come out as smooth as the Polygel because it's thinner and looser, so it will spread more easily. So I just use my hand file to get it smooth as possible. And now I'm going in with my hand file to reshape the sides and continue filing the surface. Now that I'm done filing, I am going in with the design, and she wanted a re-French for the middle fingers. So I'm taking my Nail Addict Pinky Pink and just making that re-French line. So for the pointer finger, she wanted diagonal lines with two different color pinks. And for the ring finger, she wanted some hearts. So we are going to do some hearts, and this is how I make my hearts. If you guys saw it in my previous video, I take my dotting tool, make 2 dots, and then connect them with a brush. And we decided to make 3 hearts with 3 different color pinks. Now once all the designs are cured, I'm going in with some top coats and top coating all the nails for 60 seconds. So now my daughter also wanted some rhinestones, pink rhinestones for the pinky and the thumbnails. So I'm taking my rhinestone gel and just going around the cuticle area and then placing the rhinestones around the cuticle. And I'm so sorry guys, I was out of frame for the thumb, but I was just doing the same thing that I did on the pinky nail. Up this beautiful set. For clear nails, I always top coat underneath so that it can be as clear as possible, and that is what I'm doing for the thumb and the pinky fingers. Now this is the final look, guys. She was so happy, and I want to just thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and liking, and I will see you guys next time.